Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia. Today I am doing another Chit Chat Get Ready with me. This time I am using my new Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, and I am super excited about it. I got it when I went to Chicago, which there's a Chicago vlog up. Go check that out on my channel. And I had a really fun time there, and I was so happy that I got this palette. This was actually the one palette that it's pretty pricey. It's pretty expensive. And I just couldn't decide if I wanted it or not. And so literally I got it my second trip back to Morphe in the same day, because I had left the first time and I got the Jawbreaker palette and I was like, there's something in me, like I really want the Blue Blood palette. So anyway, I went back the second time and got the Blue Blood palette, and I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to do a cool like blue makeup look for you. I threw this blue and red, mostly blue tie-dye shirt on because, you know, represent the Blue Blood Club. So I am so excited to try it out. I love Jeffree Star products. And without further ado, be sure to subscribe and like this video if you do enjoy it. Let me know if you want more Chit Chat Get Ready with me's or just makeup tutorials / looks in general. And let's go ahead and get right into it. So to start off, I like to use my Tatcha for my redness, and I just put it basically all over my face like a primer. Then I already wetted my beauty blender, and I'm gonna go ahead and put on my Peach Perfect foundation. It doesn't quite match me right now, but I really like the formula of it. And I'm filming some videos today, so I just wanted to go ahead and use that one for a change. And I totally forgot, I don't have a mirror right now, so I am going to use my Blue Blood Palette's mirror to put most of my makeup on. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I haven't even opened it yet. Oh, I hope nothing's like broken. How pretty though. It's so cool. I thought it was like a suitcase because I'm an idiot, and then my friend was like, it's a coffin, and I was like, oh, that makes a lot of sense. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at all those blues. Beautiful. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation on. The shade Marshmallow, and when I asked the girl at Sephora which shade I should get, I should have listened to her because she told me Almond, and that was, I think, the shade above Marshmallow, and that's probably what I actually did need. I love that the Jeffree Star palettes, because even the Jawbreaker, they all have like huge mirrors, and I appreciate that so much because it really sucks when you have to, oh no. It really sucks when you have to bring, like you have to bring along a mirror, like if you're traveling or anything. I'm never disappointed, literally never disappointed by Jeffree's products. Like, we stan. He's amazing. It just sucks because I really love the way that the foundation looks on the skin. It's just too light for me. All right, cool beans. Foundation is done, which is my least favorite part. I just hate the feeling of foundation on my skin. I feel like that might be weird, but it's the truth. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. And I'm gonna go up under my creasy eyes. And, you know, get it all freaking over because there's no other way to put on powder. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and do the Gimme Brow on my eyebrow. This is the like first part of doing my eyebrow that I do, and then I like to go in with a pencil and fill it in after I do my eyes, which I know seems a little bit weird, but we're going to go with it. I love the Gimme Brow. It's one of my faves. Today I am filming a cute little fall snacks like haul / taste test with Cameron. I got like a bunch of fall snack items from Hy-Vee, and we're gonna try them all. So that'll be a little fun video you guys can check out when that's up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes, and I have my now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Morphe by Jeffree eye brush set. I'm going to do my eye makeup. So I've been using the same, oh my gosh, I keep dropping things. I've been using the same eye brush. It's the JS11. Let's see what we're going to do today. because I want it to be kind of fall-esque since I'm filming 2 kind of fall / Halloween videos today. So I'm trying to think, do I want it to be like dark? And I'm thinking I do. I love how he does like little prints. If you guys can see, he does like little prints in the eyeshadow. It's so cool. I can't decide. I'm having a really hard time picking. My eyes keep falling to the Blue Monday, so I think that's what I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna do Blue Monday, which is like a royal blue. It's really, really pretty. It's got a little rain cloud on it. It's adorable. Oh, nice. It's coming out a little bit more purple than I anticipated, but I'm not mad about it. Let's try Ocean Ice. Oh. It's like a sparkly blue. I feel like I'm not really getting it on the brush. I don't care for that color. Let's try Deceased. Okay, we're gonna do Deceased over here. Ooh, I love that. Okay, so far it's Blue Monday on the inside of my eye and then Deceased on the outside, and I'm loving that. Now I'm gonna go in with I'm Cold. Wait, yeah, I'm gonna go in with I'm Cold, which is a really light blue. And I'm gonna put that up here to kind of highlight. Girl, that is gorgeous. I am an ice queen. Hear me roar. Okay, I think I'm Cold is my new favorite color on this palette. I love this look so much. Okay, so now that I'm kind of finished with the eye look, I'm going to go ahead and time to wipe off my under eye. Now that is done, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Artist Colored Pencil in the color Total Taupe, and I am going to sharpen it up a little bit because it's looking a little dull, and that's really the only thing I do with this pencil. Eyebrows are so hard to like get perfect. We are gonna go ahead and go in with my bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and put my highlight on, which I'm doing my rainbow highlight from Ulta. Oh, I love this. I love this so much. I love when you're like a shiny chandelier. I know some people hate that look, but I am not some people. I love it. Okay, let's go ahead and do eyeliner. So I'm gonna put on my Kat Von D Tattoo Locket eyeliner. What is everyone's favorite fall snack? Like when fall time comes around, what are you most excited about? Like whether it's like a drink, like apple cider or like a caramel apple or any of that kind of stuff. Like just what is your favorite thing that like only really comes around in the fall time, or like you feel super awesome when you like drink or eat it in the fall time? Like what's your favorite fall item? Mine, I love apple cider and apple cider donuts, and also, no, that's probably it. So like my favorite drink is like apple cider in the fall / pumpkin spice latte. Yeah, can't really pick between the two, but yeah, pumpkin spice latte and apple cider, hot apple cider. My fiance's favorite is pumpkin seeds because he's not really a sweet person. I'm gonna go ahead and do lashes. So I have my lovable flutter lashes that just fell off. You guys usually have a hard time putting on lashes. I recommend these because for some reason they're so much easier than regular. I mean, they are regular lashes, but they're like so much easier to put on, and they really weren't that expensive. Comment below, do you think I should do Mermaid Blood or do you think I should do Say No More? And then, so pause this, comment what you think I'm gonna do or what you want me to do, and then I'm gonna pick one. This might be a really awful choice, but I'm gonna do Mermaid Blood. I feel like this is either gonna be great or it's gonna be like I messed up my whole look, but we're gonna try it because I just feel like what a pop. Like that's just gonna be like crazy. And I love when makeup looks a little bit crazy along with being pretty, so. Okay, kind of living for this. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, I love this. I love this so much. So now I'm just gonna finish off with my mascara, and then I believe I am done. So yes, and then we'll just see like the finished look. What is everyone's favorite fall/Halloween movie? I guess mostly Halloween, because I don't really know what a fall movie technically would be. But yeah, so like, what's your favorite Halloween movie? Mine is Halloween Town. All the Halloween Towns. They're just so good. They are my favorite and they always will be. Ooh, actually, that was kind of a lie because I totally forgot about Twitches. Twitches were like on par with Halloween Town for me. I loved both of those. I thought Twitches 1 and 2 were both amazing. And actually, if I had to choose, I think I would pick Twitches. Like, I think that's the one that I would be like, oh, I want to watch that, you know? Oh, and we need to spray my Jeffree Star by Morphe Starberry scent. It smells like Red Bull, actually. Okay, guys, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I love it. Okay, you guys, be sure to subscribe and like this video if you did enjoy it so that I know you enjoyed it and I can make more of them. I hope you guys had a fun time watching this. I hope it was kind of just like chilling with a friend, getting ready. Let me know other makeup content you guys want to see from me, or just any content you guys want to see from me. Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next one.